What makes someone truly attractive? Is it perfect looks, expensive clothes, a flawless body? No, those things might get a glance. But what keeps people intrigued? What makes someone unforgettable is personality. Today, I'll share 7 personality development tips that will make you stand out, command respect, and become more attractive than you ever imagined. Tip number 1. Master the art of listening. Most people don't listen. They just wait for their turn to speak. But when you truly listen, when you make someone feel heard, you immediately stand out. It's magnetic. Because people are starving for attention, and the person who provides it, they become irresistible. Tip number 2. Build confidence through small wins. Confidence isn't about being loud or arrogant. It's about self-belief, and that grows from small, daily victories. Set tiny goals. Achieve them. Stack those wins. Each one makes your confidence unshakable. And trust me, confidence is one of the most attractive traits on earth. Tip number 3. Develop a sense of humor, not jokes, not rehearsed lines, but the ability to laugh at yourself, lighten a heavy moment, and make others smile. Humor is a universal magnet. It lowers defenses, builds connection, and makes people want to be around you. Tip number 4. Practice presence. Think about this. When you're with someone, are you really with them? Or are you distracted? Being fully present, locking eyes, and engaging deeply. It's rare in today's world. Tip number 5. Cultivate passion. What lights you up? What makes your eyes shine? People are drawn to passion like moths to flame. But someone who loves what they do, who brings energy and excitement, they're unforgettable. Tip number 6. Respect yourself and others. An attractive personality isn't built on arrogance. It's built on self-respect and respect for others. When you treat yourself with dignity, others follow. When you show kindness and empathy without being a pushover, you radiate strength. Tip number 7. Be authentic. This is the foundation of everything. Faking a personality to impress others always collapses. But when you embrace who you are, your quirks, your strengths, even your flaws, you become magnetic. Why? Because authenticity is rare. And rare is valuable. Here's the truth. Personality isn't about being perfect. It's about being real, being confident, and being someone who brings value into the lives of others. Develop these 7 traits, and people won't just like you. They'll remember you. They'll respect you. And most importantly, they'll be drawn to you. Not because of your looks, but because of the power of your personality.